I'm gonna climb on top of that tree.
It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And we're back with another video, man. So guys, about the title, we're gonna be doing
We're going to be doing a celebrity smash or pass. We've never done. I don't think we've ever done a smash or pass on our channel, huh?
No, we never did. We did truth and dare and stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, we never did that this year.
Okay. So we're gonna be doing a celebrity smash or pass. So he has guy celebrities for me, and I have female celebrities for him. And we're just basically going to either smash or pass them. So let's get straight to this video.
Yep, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Please comment down below. Please guys, please comment and hit that notification bell. And then once any other videos y'all want to see, are comment down below. It don't matter, but yeah, it's diving.
Okay, so my first person for Javon Bennett is Khloe Kardashian.
What the frick is Khloe Kardashian?
You don't know who Khloe Kardashian is?
Like Kim Kardashian?
Who?
I gotta see a picture of it.
Okay, let me show him a picture of
I gotta see a
Khloe
picture.
Kardashian.
I gotta examine that. I gotta clarify that. You know, she gotta pass the mark.
Okay, this is Khloe Kardashian.
Nah. Let's see. She ain't ugly, but nah. I'll pass.
Why you pass?
Why I pass? Cause she just nah. She's not ugly. Don't get me wrong. She's not ugly. She may see this video. You're not ugly. Just nah. Pass, man. She ain't that. That's not my type of you know, candy. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. I'm your type of candy.
No, hell no.
Boy, bye. Okay, your turn.
Okay, my turn. Okay, my turn. Okay, my first. Oh shit! I'm looking like it's my phone. We got the same video. Okay, my first. You can't see my list, bro.
Okay.
Okay, my first one on my list is Justin Bieber. Everybody knows Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber, I'll pass.
Bieber or Bieber?
Bieber.
Oh, Bieber?
Bieber.
Okay.
It's
Bieber.
not Bieber.
Who said Bieber?
You.
No, I didn't. You want to say Bieber. You just said Bieber.
I said
Justin Bieber.
Bieber.
You just said Bieber too.
Bieber.
I said Bieber.
Okay, anyway, Justin Bieber, I'm going to have to pass. Only because he's not my type. I don't know. He just is nah.
No.
Nah.
Justin Bieber.
I never was like a Justin Bieber fan. I just like his music, some of it.
I just a couple of his songs way back in the day.
Like Yummy.
Oh, I forgot he sang that song.
Yeah, I like that one, but nah, I'll pass.
Okay.
All right, so next person, Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. Let me see a picture. I gotta examine that.
You don't know who Taylor Swift is?
I know she, but I gotta see some pictures. You know, I gotta see a picture. You know, I gotta see she got that ass. You know, I gotta see.
But
you know, I gotta see she got the chase piece. You know, them two big dumplings up there. You know, she got a curve.
That is not his type because that ain't nothing I got on me.
You're right. I'm just using you.
Boy.
Taylor Swift. She look like she ready. She can show it down. You know.
Boy.
Show it down, you know. She
and when you break her heart, she gonna make a song about you.
She look like, I don't care. She look like, I'm gonna be famous too. She look like,
nothing.
She want you to show it down, you know.
Shut up.
Taylor Swift. I'm gonna have to pass on Taylor Swift, man. I'm gonna have to pass on Taylor Swift, man. Taylor Swift, she ain't. Wait, let me see. She ain't got all that body, man. I need some body. I need some cushion, you know.
I ain't got no body.
You right, you ain't got nobody. You got me, nigga. LeBron James.
Of course. I'm a smash. I like LeBron. I like his presence. I like the energy about him. I like that he's a family guy. I like that. I'm smashing. I'm gonna climb on top of that tree. No, I like LeBron James. He cool. He real cool.
Okay, he cool.
He cool. He cool. Oh, babe, it's okay. Megan Thee Stallion.
Bro, what's some? I gotta see some picture of that, bro. You sure you? I gotta see some picture, bro.
Babe, Megan Thee Stallion.
Cause I remember her. I remember her to look.
Bruh.
I gotta see some picture, bro. Make it. Oh shit. Just Megan Thee Stallion.
Yeah, this is Megan Thee Stallion.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm smashing that. Boy,
what?
I mean that.
Nothing. Nothing. Get.
I'm in there like that, man. Talking about.
I'm in there like swimwear.
Yeah, she in the pass. Yeah.
She passed it. You passed it.
I mean, smashing. I'm smashing it. I'm smashing
Boy.
it. Okay.
I'm gonna smash you.
My next person is Drake from Drake and Josh.
Drake from Drake and Josh. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen him. Drake and Josh.
Oh, looking it up?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out which one. Oh, Drake was a skinnier one.
Yeah, he was skinny one.
I always liked him when I was watching that show, so I was smashed for like 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes?
No, I really liked him because he was really cute. Like that was my guy
cute?
crush.
Oh, it was a guy crush?
That was my guy crush.
Oh, okay.
So I was smashed.
Okay, so he a guy crush, what I'm gonna give you a boy crush?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm the boy crush?
Yeah.
Ugly ass.
You ugly. And he could sing too. He could play the guitar.
I can sing too. I can't play no guitar, bro.
You cannot sing.
I can sing. What you mean? Girl, you got it. Yeah.
Y'all, Javon, his mom told me he could sing. So if y'all want to see a video of Javon singing, put it in the comments.
She was a bluff.
No, she wasn't.
She was a bluff.
No, she wasn't. Alright, my turn. My turn. Oh, guys, I'm smashing. By the way. So your person is Bad Baby.
I got some picture, bro. Bro, all these niggas come through. I don't remember what the picture look like.
Babe, really?
You better, so from now on, as soon as you say your person name, you better get rid of stuff in the picture.
Oh my god, that's her.
She's Bad Baby. Damn, she look bad.
She that girl that said, "Catch me outside." How about that?
I'll smash.
You smash?
Yeah.
You like white girls, huh?
She look like that crazy type, you know?
She look like she'll tie him up to the bed and tie his toes together.
I'll smash. You know, she look like she would, you know, the man do anything to me, you know,
She probably will too.
Well, she look, I'm a smash, and I got smash that thing, you know, in front of you. I'm smashing that thing.
No, you're not.
I'm dumping that thing. I'm smashing that thing, boy. I'm peeing that thing, boy.
You peeing?
Boy, you know the elephant. You know elephant they pee like they're letting out. I'm peeing that thing. Okay, my turn.
Your turn.
Okay. Chance the Rapper.
I'll pass.
You pass?
I'll pass.
Why? It's too short.
No. Well, no. I mean, Chance the Rapper. Chance the Rapper. Chance the Rapper.
You need pictures on me?
I mean, I honestly never followed Chance the Rapper. Like, I don't know anything about him to even want to. I don't know anything about Chance the Rapper.
Okay.
To be honest with you, so.
Okay, nigga, you ain't smashing my girl. You should pass you. Go to bed. You can get some money while you're gone.
Okay, your next person is Billie Eilish. You know who Billie Eilish is?
I don't know who that is.
Babe, really?
Who that is? What's she singing?
Let's see, Billie Eilish.
Man, you trying to disrespect me, bro?
What?
Hell no!
That's a girl. That is a girl.
Man, I know it's a girl.
What? What's wrong with Billie Eilish?
Looks like she smoke weed for a living.
She pretty.
Yeah, you're right. She pretty. Hell no, I ain't smashing.
So you passing?
I'm passing, bro. Passing.
Babe, what's wrong with her?
I'm passing that. I'm passing this. All right, who is next is on the list?
Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish, you're
okay, the next person on the list is Tory Lanez.
Ooh, Tory Lanez. I like Tory Lanez. He going on her.
So you smashing Tory Lanez? You smashing Tory Lanez?
Maybe. I'll
maybe
smash.
Not.
I'll smash. I'll smash.
Come on, Can you gonna smash?
Yep, Tory Lanez is. Ever since I heard that first song, what was that first song? Oh my gosh, it was a song he did. I haven't heard it in a while, but yeah, I like his voice.
I ain't like his voice.
He can sing to
me.
me.
He can sing to me. Okay. Okay. Go ahead and answer your actually damn question. You alright? No, we don't need you to be.
That's nothing but skin back there. Dang it. Okay. So the next person is Rihanna.
Rihanna? Oh hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
What you mean?
Man, we getting twins on top of twins on top of twins.
No, we're getting twins.
Man, hell no. You ain't compared to Rihanna, boy.
How I'm not compared to
Rihanna? Oh my God, Rihanna, man, Rihanna, I'm up in that thing like, whoo.
Rihanna, you gonna get him killed today.
I'm up in that. Rihanna, man. Yeah, I'm smashing Rihanna though.
Rihanna, you gonna get him killed. What you mean I ain't no Rihanna? What's that supposed to mean?
And she Trinidad, Caribbean. Oh hell yeah, I'm smashing that.
So you want a Caribbean girl?
Man, I'm definitely that thing.
So you want a girl from the Caribbean?
Don't worry about that.
Nah. So you want a girl from the Caribbean?
Huh? What?
What?
I ain't said it yet.
We over. We done. After this video, guys, you're not gonna see another video from us. You're not gonna see another video from us. Because he wants a Caribbean girl.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead with your next one.
Chris Pine.
Who?
Chris Pine.
Who the heck is Chris Pine? I ain't never heard that name in my life.
Oh, okay. Chris Pine. I don't pronounce his name right, but you see him?
I will pass.
Pass?
Pass. I don't know. I don't know.
Why?
I'll pass. Tokyo Vanity.
Man, who?
Tokyo Vanity.
I think I heard her name, but I remember how she looked like.
Tokyo Vanity.
I think she's fine. She was fine. Yeah, I think she was fine.
She is fine.
She got fat ass too.
She really do.
Yeah, fat. Yeah, her ass fat like pumpkin, boy.
That baby girl right there.
That soft like. You see her?
That is her.
You see her?
That's Tokyo Vanity.
I thought you was talking about on the other cheek.
What?
She just got the same name, but she ain't that big though. So we gonna pass on that, you know. We gonna pass on that one. We gonna go to my next one now.
Tokyo Vanity is fine.
We gonna go to my next one now. Okay.
She's
ready for my next one? Barack Obama.
Hell y'all smash.
You say you gonna smash
salt, pepper.
You gonna smash about Barack Obama?
Barack Obama?
You gonna smash Barack Obama? Why you gonna smash Barack Obama?
Because Barack Obama is fine, okay?
Oh, Barack Obama is fine.
He is fine.
Oh, you want to smash
president or not?
You want to smash the president? Oh, okay, you trying to get some clout on him? Oh, okay, you look like the clout chaser. You trying to smash Barack Obama?
Stop looking at my list.
Look on your
yes, you did. I see your eyes look over there.
She gonna smash Barack Obama. Okay.
I will smash who? Anybody in the comment section, would y'all smash Barack Obama? Not because he's the president. Barack Obama
was the president.
Not because he is the president.
Oh, was the president.
He is the president. Nicki Minaj.
Oh, you're killing the game right now. Nicki Minaj? Nicki Minaj and Rihanna? Oh my God. You ever get a sandwich, you just close the sandwich, bread on the back and the front? Ooh, I'm in the middle of them motherfuckers, boy. I'm smashing them.
Get your ass off of me.
I'm smashing.
Alright, go ahead with your next.
Alright guys, man, this is probably gonna be the last two we're gonna do.
Yeah.
Okay, so my next one is The Rock, Dwayne Johnson.
Oh my gosh, I will have quadruplets with that man, okay? And then I will backdoor and have sextuplets with that man, okay? That's my dream husband right there. Like if we get married and you was to suit up in the Rock's like suit, you getting something right there in front of the priest.
First of all,
you getting something right there in front of the priest.
First of all, that man gonna break that little shit you got. Second of all, you gonna be in the hospital.
Y'all, he bad looking. I just ain't nothing about him over there humping the pillows and stuff. But Dwayne Rock, oh my God, babe! If we get married and I see you at the altar, just like The Rock.
Alright guys, thank you for tuning to this video, man. That's it. End of the video.
He gonna get some right in front of his
Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. And, yeah, that's it, right? That's it.